गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टेट आर्ट्स 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। सेक्शन 1 साइकोलॉजी। द प्लेस ऑफ स्कूल इन सोशलाइजेशन ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इज ए आफ्टर फैमिली। राइट आंसर रेड सर्कल से मार्क किए हैं। चिल्ड्रन बीइंग सेंसिटिव टू वेट आर बी easy to observe. Intelligence and creativity are C positively related. What is meant by social environment? D all of these. Who propounded the theory of trial and error? D Thorndike. Psychoanalysis was propounded by C S Fired. As the infant grows, his mental ability D increase. How far does the mutual relationship of parents influence child personality? B gradually. As Hollingsworth is associated with her work on B gifted children. According to Piaget, sensory motor stage include dash age group. C. Birth to 7 years. Later childhood is also known as gangs. A. The term mental hygiene was given by B. William Sweetser, who is the father of behaviorism. C. J.B. Watson. The superego is the direct antithesis of ID. This statement is B. True. The formula for calculating intelligence quotient IQ is B. MA upon CA into 100. MA stands for mental age, CA stands for chronological age. According to Piaget, egocentric is A. Child is the center of world and everything revolves around him. Concrete operational stage of cognitive development age range from C about 7 to 11 years. Which of the following method helps to study children with special needs? D. Case study method. Who said heredity is a sum total of inborn individual traits? B. B.N. Jha. Children whose mental age is lower than their chronological age are called D. Retarded children. Not being able to recognize word is which kind of learning disability? D. None of these. Which one of these is not related to the measure of central tendency? D. Standard deviation. Who developed the concept of perception? A. Wertheimer. The school of behaviorism focuses on studying A. overt behavior only. Which of the following is affected most by extreme scores? B. Arithmetic mean. What is mean and standard deviation of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 2 respectively? Answer A. 6.4, standard deviation 2.43. मीन कैलकुलेट करने का फॉर्मूला जो है सम ऑफ आइटम्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स। नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स हमारे पास 5 हैं और सम जो है आइटम्स का 6, 7, 8, 9 प्लस 2 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 32. सो अरिथमेटिक मीन इज इक्वल टू 32/4 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 6.4, जो कि 6.4 जो है वो आंसर ए में ऑलरेडी गिवन है, तो हमें स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What are the field not covered in co-scholastic evaluation? C. academic subjects. Evaluation is C. Both A and B. Only qualitative, only quantitative. The proverb grapes are sour is related. D. Rationalization. Assessment for learning takes into account the following except B. Learning style. Section 2 English. Question 31 to 32. Choose the correct option. The correct feminine gender for ran is C. Cure. Correct masculine gender for doe is B. Buck. Question 33 to 34. Choose the best alternative for the given sentences. He said to me, "Do you know me?" A. He asked me if I knew him. He said, "Let us take him to the doctor." B. He suggested that they should take him to the doctor. Question 35 to 36. Choose the correct option for the given sentence. Please tell me. D. Where the bus stop is. You are a bit late today. A. Aren't you? Question 37 to 38. Choose the correct alternative. As proud as a C. Peacock. As light as D. Feather. Question 39 to 40. Choose the correct alternative. As you sow B. So shall you reap. Rome dash in a day. A. Rome was not built in a day. Question 41 to 42. Choose the correct preposition to complete the sentences given below. The cat slept on the bed dash the little boy. B. Beside. The toddler fell dash the chair. C. Off. Question 43 to 44. Change the following simple sentence to complex. I do not know the time for her arrival. B. None of above. Change the following compound sentence to simple sentence. C. Having finished his work, he went to play. Question 45 to 46. Choose the correct conjunctions to complete the sentences given below. You must work dash star. A. Or. Many things have happened dash I left school. D. Since. Question 47 to 49. Choose the word opposite in the meaning. Forbid. B. Permit. Stern. A. Liberal. Wise. C. Virtue. Question 50 to 52. Choose the appropriate conjunction. I went swimming dash it was cold. C. Although. Meera must study hard dash she will fail. D. Or. Dinner was ready dash we sat down to eat. B. So. Question 53 to 54. Choose from antonyms. Provided an antonym from each of the word given in capital letter. Miser. D. Spendthrift. Float. B. Sink. Question 55 to 56. Choose the correct alternative. He said, "Be quiet and listen to my words." B. He told them to be quiet and listen to my words. He said to me, "I don't believe you." C. He asked me to believe him. Question 57 to 58. Rearrange the following four sentences A, B, C, D in the proper sequence to form a meaningful paragraph and then mark the correct sequence as your answer. B. DABC. When Gandhi returned to India, his son Hiralal was 4. His mother was dead. They had not sent him the sad information. Probably they knew his deep love for her. C. DBAC. Swami Vivekanand once stayed in a small village. Thousands of people came to him and asked different type of questions. He was so busy with them that he did not get time to eat. No one cared to see that he had his food or rest that night. Matter written by hand. B. Manuscript. Study of art of teaching. C. Pedagogy. Section 3. GK. Who gave the title Father of Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Under which article financial emergency can be declared in India? C. 360. National Youth Festival is organized every year on the birth anniversary of B. Vivekanand. Who is the writer of the book अंधेरे से उजाले की ओर? D. Late Arun Jaitley. Which TV channel was ordered to be closed for 24 hours by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on accusation of airing sensitive information related to Pathankot air-base terror attack? C. NDTV. Which mirror is used to rear view mirror in vehicles? B. Convex mirror. Who was the Indian flag bearer on the closing ceremony of Rio Olympics? B. Sakshi Malik. Which mosquito is responsible for yellow fever? A. Aedes aegypti. Which state is known as Jewel of India? B. Manipur. Helena and Moga 1 are the names of A. Anti-tank guided missile. The oldest Dravidian language is A. Tamil. Who was the chief counselor of the Aryan king Devodas? D. Rishi Bhardwaj. Patthar Ka Khel is a famous fair of D. Halogs. Which is the longest expressway of India? D. Agra Lucknow Expressway. Between which countries are cricket match played for the Ashes? A. Australia, England. Which pass separates Mandi from Kullu? A. Dulachi Pass. Name of Japan's parliament is C. Diet. Who was the father of Operation Flood? C. Dr. Verghese Kurian. Vande Mataram was first sung at the session of Indian National Congress in A. 1896. How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post? D. Any number of times. The first woman governor of a state in free India was C. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. COBOL, COBOL, stands for A. Common Business Oriented Language. The boundary line between India and China is called A. McMahon Line. When is the World Earth Day celebrated? B. April 22. The deficiency of vitamin A causes A. Night blindness. Who was the first Chief Justice of HP? A. Justice Mirza Hamidullah Beg. Indira Point is situated in D. Andaman Nicobar. The famous firing episode of Province Dhami took place in C. 1939. The color of hydrogen is D. Colorless. World Book Donor Day is celebrated on B. 14th June. Section 4 Social Studies. Where is Sahara Desert situated? C. In Africa. In which state midday meal program was initially introduced in India? B. Tamil Nadu. Which Indian women wrote autobiography Amar Jeevan? B. Rokia Sakhawat. Which continent is the leading producer of iron ore? A. Europe. Which country is the leading producer of bauxite? C. Brazil. Dry deciduous forests are found where rainfall is B. 30 cm to 50 cm. Dhangar is well-known shepherd of which state? C. Maharashtra. Where was Imperial Forest Institute established? B. Dehradun. During Hitler's rule, evacuation meant D. Sending peoples to gas chambers. Out of the following states, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through D. Odisha. Which river has the largest drift basin in the world? B. Amazon River. How much of Earth's total volume of water is found in ocean? B. 96.5%. In which year Vernacular Press Act was implemented? A. 1878 AD. When did Simon Commission arrive in India? C. 1928 AD. Which of the following is not a metallic mineral? A. Mica. Which of the following mineral is found in monazite sand? A. Thorium. Which is the oldest Veda out of the following? B. Rig Veda. Who wrote the autobiography Harshcharita in Sanskrit? C. Banbhat. Saptarishi Vegan is the group of 7 stars in part of constellation A. Ursa Major. The axis of Earth is an imaginary line which makes an angle with its orbital surface. A. 23½ degree. Which volume is famous in Ladakh which is sung by local Muslims and Buddhists both? A. Kesar Saga. When were women first allowed to vote in America? A. 1920 AD. Out of the following, which agriculture is known as viticulture? D. Farming of grapes. When did Swami Dayanand Saraswati establish Arya Samaj? B. 1875 AD. How many chapters are there in the Bhagavad Gita? B. 18. Highest dam in India is B. Tehri Dam. The world highest rainfall occurs in C. Mozindram. India has total number of states C. 29. But now total number of states are 28. Which is the largest state of India? C. Rajasthan. The capital of Sikkim is C. Gangtok. Which is the largest ocean in the world? D. Pacific Ocean. Which color is used for showing water on map? A. Blue color. The highest rainfall occur in Himachal Pradesh. C. Dharamshala. The smallest district in area of Himachal Pradesh is C. Hamirpur. Who was Pahari Gandhi? D. Baba Kanshi Ram. First World War was fought in D. 1914 to 1980. Rubber is found in India. C. Kerala. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? B. Pandit Nehru. Correct time for singing national anthem is C. 52 seconds. बट अगर आप क्वेश्चन पेपर देखोगे तो क्वेश्चन पेपर में यहाँ करेक्ट टाइम फॉर सिंगिंग नेशनल सॉन्ग दिया है. इसकी जगह पे नेशनल सॉन्ग की जगह पे नेशनल एंथम होना चाहिए. करेक्ट आंसर इज 52 सेकेंड्स. आईने अकबरी वॉज रिटन बाय C. Abdul Fazal. Gir forest is associated with A. Lions. The first president of USA was A. George Washington. Panini was a famous scholar of A. Language and grammar. The highest number of cotton mills in India is A. Ahmedabad. Human Rights Day is observed all over the world every year on C. 10 December. First general election in India were held in C. 1951. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? A. 250. Which planet is known as blue planet? A. Earth. In how many days does the moon complete one round around the earth? B. 27 days. Where is Christmas festival celebrated in summer? C. Australia. When did partition of Bengal take place? A. 1905. The Gadar party was organized. B. Lala Hardayal. Who initiated the doctrine of lapse? B. Dalhousie. Where is the headquarters of UNO? A. New York. Who built the Red Fort of Agra? B. Shah Jahan. Which industry is known as sunrise industry? B. Information technology. Who gave the theory of Panchsheel? A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which among the following gas is available more in atmosphere? D. Nitrogen. Mahatma Gandhi Narega scheme was launched in India on A. 2nd Feb 2006. Municipality and Panchayat election are conducted by C. State Election Commission. Thank you.